Hello my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today I'm gonna be doing something kind of quick and easy. I know y'all see me do my old school sweet potatoes, but I'm gonna share a recipe I haven't never shared with y'all. I'm gonna share a recipe that way my mom actually does her sweet potatoes. You know, mine has butterscotch in it, and it's a little different way that I make mine than what she make hers. So I'm gonna share the video the way she do hers. So it's very simple. She of course baked the potatoes like I do. I've already baked these. But what I'm gonna do, add a cup of water to this pot. Very simple. And this recipe of course is gonna be in the description of the video. Pick a butter here. She used two kinds of sugar. She used white sugar and brown sugar. Granulated sugar in there. Brown sugar in there. Like I say, this is the way she do it. I have kind of a little vanilla in there. Kind of change it a little bit, but she say, "Boy, that ain't my sweet potato." Say, "Yeah, my mama kind of tinkering with her recipe, but I'm gonna do just like she does hers." So all I put already is a little nutmeg, cinnamon. I use white sugar, regular sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, light brown sugar. I put a little water in there, butter, and a little nutmeg, and a little vanilla, real vanilla. And that's it. All I'm gonna do is bring this to a boil. While this is boiling, I'm gonna get the potatoes here that I got I baked off. Of course, you know, and my mama know this too. She done you bake the potatoes in the skin and you peel them. So that's what I've done here. Because it does two things: it preserves the flavor of the potato, and it preserves the color. It's a nice color. So that's what we did here. Here. Very simple recipe. And the longest thing is baking the potatoes, of course, you know that. Put that down over there. A little brown there. Yeah, this is a very simple, easy recipe. Like I say, some people, even after I tell them, they still boil the potatoes. And I tell you, it's like night and day when you roast the potatoes in the skin, then boil them. Very simple. Okay. All right. And this is boiling. You bring this to a boil. What we're going to do here, it's going to reduce about 3/4 of the way, not much. It's just gonna thicken a little. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna taste it, make sure it has enough cinnamon and seasoning in it. We're gonna taste it right quick. Pretty good to me. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice these up. And what she does, she adds the potatoes to the pot there. So we're gonna slice these up, pretty big, thick slices. And why it's very important that you don't overcook your potatoes, because you don't want them to be mush, because you're gonna add them to the glaze here in the pot. Okay. Up. I usually get rid of that ends. And one more here. One more. All right, that's it. Get rid of these ends here. And then when that reduces a little, we're gonna add the potatoes to this glaze. And then we're gonna put it in a casserole dish. That's all she does, very simple. Okay, now what you gonna do, what I'm gonna do, add this in here to this. Try not to break this up. That's what you want. You don't want to do. You don't want to break them up too much. Okay. Now we're just going to move these around a little. Make sure all of them get glaze on them. There we go. Go. Make sure all that glaze soak in there. And I'm gonna cover these for about 5 minutes, let them simmer. We'll be right back. We're gonna put them in a casserole dish, and that's it. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, I took them out of the pot and I put them in the casserole dish, the sweet potatoes here. This is how they look there. Okay, now I got some, I want to plate this up. Just wanted to do a little short video here. Got some ribs here. Y'all know, y'all seen my recipe from my old school oven barbecue ribs. So what I got here, put a little sweet potatoes on here. Can't go wrong with sweet potatoes and ribs, y'all. Candied yams and ribs. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, move this here up over here. Got some ribs here, just that's out the oven here. Over there. Ooh. Tongs here to help me out a little here. Go wrong with barbecue ribs, huh? Ribs on there. Go. Now I cook these in the oven. I know y'all seen this recipe before. Old school barbecue ribs in the oven. You get down, like I said, I'll share a link down there on the bottom in the video description. Alright, that's a meal right there, y'all. This. I'm gonna let this sit here and I'm gonna be right back in just a second. And we're gonna taste this and we're gonna see how it is. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay, you see the nice yams here? Candied yams and barbecue ribs. You can't go wrong, y'all. Like I say, the recipe to these ribs is in the, I have a video twice already on my YouTube channel here for these ribs here. That's all you need right here. Ribs and sweet potato. Can't go wrong. Anyway, give this quick recipe a thumbs up. Please comment, please share. Please subscribe to my other social media accounts. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.